Hi, welcome to Five Mantra. This we are going to discuss about pointers, right? Already we are once again welcome back. And now we do some manipulation with the pointers. Now I want to do the addition. Can I do any operations with the pointers like multiplication or addition or something like? Yes, you can do it. But with the pointers, whenever you are working with the pointers, pointers can allow the addition, right? What is the addition, subtraction? Okay, shall we do that one? Okay, and here when we are working with the pointers, what is the exactly need of the pointer is pointers are used for to save the memory location address, right? When you want to do the manipulation with the pointer variable is nothing but you are doing a manipulation with the memory location address, memory address only, right? Okay, and what will happen, just we'll see that, right? I have a variable like I'll go with the include, sorry, already I have include stdio.h. This is the important one, and the next one is hash include conio.h. Okay, this is the another important one. Next int main, already I said main is the one function, it is an important function. With the help of that only your application will be run, right? Once it is a main is completed, here I have to define variables like a equal to 10 and b equal to, sorry, I'll go with the array, right? I have a 10 elements, sorry, 5 elements or 3 elements, like I'll go with the 3 elements. Okay, you don't have any restriction, right? You can go with the how many elements you want, but for our test purpose only I'll go with the now I am defining one pointer variable. When you want to define a pointer variable, indirection operator is required, that is nothing but a star, then this is the pointer variable. Now if I print printf, what is the value of the p? That is important one, right? What is the value of the p? You know that p is nothing but a pointer variable. Pointer holds the address, address is nothing but an unsigned integer, so I have to go with the percentile u is the unsigned integer. Okay, value of pointer variable, pointer is this is, right? Next here I'll write a p, what it will print. Next I want to get address also, right? You want to get address, go with the new line, sorry, address is percentile of address also unsigned integer, so I'll go with the address of p. Now I'll print. Now when you want to get output in a proper way, right, you will go with the get ch is the input function, run, yeah, what is error, hash include, yes, see that when you are not used proper keyword, okay, it will show the error because the unknown keyword cannot be recognized by any language compiler, right? Right, I have to see the name, that name is a unique name has to be give, that is demo12.c, already c is extension. See that value of the pointer is 36772 and 65524 is the address, means it has some value because I do whenever I am working with the pointer variable. Okay, so whenever I said 65524 and 36772, it is a unknown value, we don't know that. What is the 36772? We don't know, so that we didn't assign any value, but still it is pointing. But when you are doing some indirection operator, for example, I want to print the value, which value we have in that, right? So in a printf, and here I am working with the value, right? Okay, here I want to print the value. Okay, maybe I don't know which format it is because I didn't given, so I am working, I'll go with the u only, which one it is, it will print, and where it is, star at, right, value at p, this is the value we'll give. So we'll give the keyword that is a value at pointer is, right, percentile u, right? Now I'll go with the run, see that value at pointer is 0. I don't know what is the 0 it is exactly. I didn't assign, but it is giving 0. But if it is another value, what it will print? If I say character, what it will print? So totally it is a confusing, right? Why? Because it is unknown address. Unknown address value you are getting. Maybe sometimes it will goes to the internals, right, of operating system values. So to avoid this is not a right practice. You must give a default value. Okay, if it is an integer, I can give the default value 0. But if it is a character, I can give the null character. If it is a string, I can give the string null character, right? But how to give the value for this is simple, null. We'll go with the null, whether it is available or not. Go with the null. Yes, null is there, just go with that. What is that? Null is a pointer variable. It is available in alloc.h, mem.h, stdio.h, stdlib. So I am using stdio.h, there is no problem. So I am using this one, right? There is no problem. So this is the null pointer. Okay, it's a default value for the pointer variable. Okay, means instead of, if you give the 0, it won't allow. Why? Because 0 is also something pointer, right? Something points. Okay, so why? Because your address, logical address is started from 0 to infinite. Okay, where is the 0? I don't know. The value will be printed when I print percentile d star at p, right? So we should not use this one. So because of that, you must give a unique value that is nothing but a null. Null means nothing. Null means nothing. Okay, means in a database we are saying as this is a unknown value, but in a C language it is a nothing, right? So I'll go with the nothing. So now we'll check what value it will print. Run. Okay, address is 6552, value of pointer is 36772, and value of pointer is 0, and value of pointer is 0, and there is a value of pointer is 0, like, okay, I have to go with the CLR ACR. Maybe you are getting confused, right? So we'll do that. Okay, CLR ACR is a function. What is the use of CLR ACR? Maybe sometimes we will get a confusion that, okay, what is the right output, right? So we'll go with the run once again, run the application. Now value of the pointer is 0, address is 65524, value at pointer is 0. Got it? Now means null means nothing. It's a pointer, default value is nothing, right? So once again, write another FAQ. What is the default value of the pointer variable? Either it is an integer pointer or float pointer or double pointer or character pointer or structure pointer or file pointer or array pointer or pointer of pointer. But pointer default value is only one, that is nothing but a this one, null. This is the important one. Now what I want to do is I want to allocate some values, right? Same way I'll do that. Okay, a of 0, because simple assignment, a of 0 equal to 234 semicolon, a of 1 is equal to 456 semicolon, a of square bracket 0 1, right? I have a 2, right? 2 equal to any value you can give, 5 6 7. It is a simple way. So I can write line by line in a single line total code also, but only it has to be differentiated. So semicolon is the one indicator that the word is completed. Now I have a variable. Now what I'll do is a of 0, right? This is a starting address, a of 0. Directly I am giving to the p. If I give this, it will give the error, because a of 0 points some integer you are copying into the pointer variable. Never accept. Why? Because pointer variable accept only address. So you have to give address of operator. This is the right practice. Otherwise you can go with this also. This is also right. And otherwise, if you want in a better way, like a starting address of the array also you can give. That already we did. Any one in this you can select, right? So here I'm giving all in a comments, right? Instead of this you can use any one. Okay, instead of this first one you can use this or either this, there is no problem. Okay, just check it with your program. Okay, printf value of the pointer I want to change something right here. Okay, now I want to print the value of first element, value of first element is, okay, first element is, so it is in an integer format, so I'll have to go with the percentile d. So here I am going with the p of 0, directly I can go with that. Already we worked with the p of 0, right? Now I'll work with the p plus 1. Okay, p plus 1, what it will print, that important one that we have to see that. Okay, once again we'll go with the p, directly we can 0, otherwise next value you want to print, you will go with the p plus 1. Just I'm doing a addition, right? Already I have a value. Okay, once again second value, second value is, once again I need that one is nothing but a percentile d. This address is percentile d. So next third value also you can print, right? Here I'll print a value, right? This is the third value is, okay, it is a percentile d. Why? Because I am working with the integer, so percentile d. Here I am working with the p plus 2, 0 1 2, like p plus 2. What it will print, that I need, see that directly it is a better, I'll go with the u, better I'll go with the u, but yeah, I'll go with the view. Then you can understand whether it is an integer or not a matter, that unsigned integer and normal integer also it will print. Why? Because I have a positive value, so like some addresses, right? Now if you see that 65520 is the first address, 65522 is the second address, 65524 means when I am doing if you go into the depth of this analysis, so what is the p consist is, p is the starting address of the array element, right? I have an array, like this address is 65520, this was saved into the 65520. Now what I did, p plus 1, how it was done, and it is giving that, okay, p plus 1 is giving that 65522. Why? Because p plus 0 is giving this one and p plus 1 is giving this one. P plus pointer value plus 2 is giving 65524. What calculation is doing? See that the difference is 2 and the difference is 2, but I added p is plus 0, p plus 1 only I added, right? But what it is doing is, it is adding memory, means it is jumping into the next block, okay, after 2 bytes based on data type. See that if it is an integer, 2 bytes, 2 space, if it is a float, it is a 4 places, like so. How this was happen here, it is, this is the formula you have to remember, size of the data type. This is the formula you have to remember. Once again I want to do some operation, p plus something I, this is the I is the maybe 0 1 2 anything, right? This will be interpreted by your compiler, p plus I into, remember this is the very important formula, size of your data type. What pointer it is? It is an integer pointer. Size of the data type is nothing but a 2 into that is the I, p plus. Now if you see that, okay, I value is 0, p plus 0 into 0, 0 into 2 something is 0, right? p plus 0 is a p only, right? Now we are getting a p. Next, p plus 1 is represented like p is a p plus I into 0, 1 into 2 is a 2. Now what is the p value? 65520 plus 2, that is nothing but a 65522. Next, p plus I, right? P plus I is nothing but a 65520 plus, and I value is, it is the next one is 2 into size of the data type is 2. Now what is the value? 65520 plus 4, 65524, right? This is the 65524. That is the third block address. Here, by this we can understand that we can do the manipulation of the pointer variable. We can do addition. Can I do the subtraction? If I go with the -2, what will happen? Shall I do that? Right. Last one only I am doing. Addition already we completed. Just we completed that addition. Now, see, 65520 minus, okay, 2. 2 means I can do the plus, I can do minus also. Like what is the 65520? 65520 is a starting address. Next we are going with the, here 655, here minus I am doing, before I am doing a addition also, right? Addition and subtraction is possible with this. Can I do the multiplication? Yes, I'll do that. What will happen? Run. Yes. What's the error? Yeah. See that illegal use of pointer. Pointer, you cannot do the multiplication, you cannot do the division. Only you can go with the addition and subtraction. There is no other choice you have. Okay, you can do the addition subtraction, not with other than addition subtraction. You cannot do anything with the pointer variable, right? This is the important point. Well, maybe you will get confused in FAQs, they will ask, right? Okay, just don't get confused. Already we know that. Okay, pointer variable plus some value he given, right? This is the formula, p plus I into size of data type. If it is integer 2, if it is a float 4, if it is a character 1, if it is a structure, maybe it will be very based on structure. Okay, in this way we'll do the manipulation with the pointer variable. Next, in other topics also we have a lot of discussion we have to. So please follow our channel, then we'll do other sessions on pointers, continuous session. Okay, and give your feedback and give your requirement, then I'll do my sessions on that, and maybe you will get a clear idea about that. And if you want any requirement on code or something, like just drop your mail ID, then we'll send our codes and all to you. Okay, it is a 5 mantra is a free channel, and everyone can access, and they can use, and not only softwares, you can go with the all job aspirants and technical leads, and anyone can follow our channel, get the help, and do the help. Okay, live and let live is our channel motto, right? Thank you for watching.